and you guys can come on page number 149. Today we are going to study about types of linking. There are two types of linking basically. One is internal linking and the other one is external linking. Fine. So the tag that we can use for linking one web page to the other web page or one part of the web page. Just a second. Krishna Khurana has just
Hyperlink.
entered. Yes, it is hyperlinked here. So if you want to, Krishna, I have marked you present.
Please
Okay.
mark Krishna Khurana present.
I've marked you present here. So if
Okay.
you Krishna, today we are going to talk about types of linking. So there are two types of linking. One is internal linking and the second one is external linking. Internal linking refers to the linking in which what we do is we link one part of the web page to the other part of the web page. That's what internal linking means. And what is meant by external linking? When we are linking a particular web page with other web page. Okay, when we are trying to access another web page using using a link on a particular web page. So that's what internal linking is all about. External linking is all about. So there are two types of linking that we are going to, for which we are going to define the code for today.
Internal and external linking again.
Ridhima, what happens? See, if there are 5 or 6 parts that we have defined in a particular web page, okay, and if you are linking one part of that web page to the other part of the web page of the same web page, means you are linking two parts of the same web page together, then it is known as internal linking. But if you are linking a particular web page with some other web page, okay, there are two web pages, suppose, and if you are linking one web page with other web page, then it is known as external linking. Now, how can we define for linking the web pages or for linking the parts of a particular web page? What is the tag that we use? We use anchor tags. And what is a property or attribute of that anchor tag that we use for accessing a particular URL? We use href tag for accessing a particular link, or you can say website. Fine. Now let's try to understand the concept of internal linking and external linking practically. Let me just create a new folder first. Shreyansh, because this is a new topic, so that is the reason I am creating a new folder. Okay, beta?
Okay,
And
sir.
this is the name that I'm giving to this folder. The name is linking, and I have created this folder on my desktop. And inside this, let me just take this image. So I have created a folder first on my desktop, and I have inserted an image. I've inserted an image in this folder, the name of which is temple. Let me just check the complete name of this, the full name of this temple image. So the type of the file is .gif and the name of the image is temple. So the complete name of the image is temple.gif. Fine. Now let's create a notepad file. Now here we are going to define the basic structure, the structure of HTML document first. So that's how we can define an HTML structure. Let's save it with some name in the same folder in which we have inserted the temple image. So the name of the folder is linking. Inside this, I'm going to save this notepad file in the form of a web page by giving it a unique name, links.html. So this is a name that I've given to this file. Let's save it. And now got disconnected from. Okay, now it is visible. I think. So we have got two things now in this folder. One is the links web page and the other one is the image, the name of which is temple.gif. Let's access this links web page on the browser. So this is what you're going to get as an output. We are not able to see anything just because we haven't defined anything in the body part of the HTML document we have created. I'm closing this one for now. So this is the links table. Now, if we want to understand the linking, internal linking concept, we need to define some parts first. So let's start creating the first part. So I'm going to use a anchor tag for the same, href equal to hash lesson1. Fine. And now lesson1. Okay. So what I have done is I have defined an anchor tag and I have passed this value. I need to enclose it in double inverted commas. I've passed this hash lesson1 value for this href tag. Now where is this lesson1 present? So for that I need to define a part. How can I do that? Again, I'm going to use a tag, anchor tag, and here I'm going to use an attribute, the name of which is ID. See, it is not given in your book. The concept of internal linking, there is no example in your book, okay, based on this internal linking. So you have to understand it from here. Now in this ID portion, let's define lesson1. Okay, and this is the first chapter. Now let's define some content for this first part. Introduction to lesson1. Let's copy this thing and let's paste it here like this. Again, we are pasting it. So now what I have done, I have defined an anchor tag over here. Fine. And after that, using this attribute, this is a value that I've passed for this attribute. And how I have connected, how I have linked this thing with this whole part by using this ID field that I've defined over here. I have linked this part with this thing. इतना समझ में आया? मैं आपको जो practically run करके दिखाऊंगा, then you will be able to understand it. Now let's define the second part. Second part के लिए मैं यहाँ lesson 2 डालूंगा. I have just copied this code from here and I've pasted it here. Fine. And here I'm going to write down lesson 2. Now let's copy this whole code and let's put it here. I'm going to rename this ID to lesson 2. अब इसको सबको आप lesson 2 कर दीजिए. ठीक है? फिर let's define the third part. So for defining the third part, again, we need to make the same changes which we made while defining the second part of this web document.
थर्ड पार्ट में लेसन 2 डाल दे.
लेसन 2 डाला, एक सेकेंड. okay. अभी three, and here also we are going to have this 3. Now this is the third chapter.
सेकंड वाले में यहाँ पर सेकंड वाले में लास्ट में 2 नहीं.
Okay, just a second. I think now it is fine. Okay, let's now save the changes and see what is going to happen. What are we going to get as a result? on this web page. So you can see, we have got 3 different hyperlinks created over here. Let's now click on this lesson 3. So कहां पे आ गए आप lesson 3 पे क्लिक करते, आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है ना. Earlier we were not able to see lesson 3. See, lesson 3, this is the 3rd chapter. ये बिल्कुल bottom में आ रहा है. Now when you will click on this lesson 3, you will get redirected on the 3rd part, the 3rd chapter that we have defined on this code over here, in this code over here. ये चीज क्लियर हुई सबको या नहीं हुई?
Linking.
Sir,
Sorry,
internal
Ridhima, I
linking.
didn't catch it.
Sir, this is
Oh,
internal
internally.
linking.
What is internal linking?
Sir, this is internal linking now.
This
which we
is
have
called
done right
internal
now.
linking. In which what we are doing, we are connecting one part, we are accessing the same part of the web page on which the link is defined. This is called internal linking. And how we can do it? Using this hash attribute, using this, you're passing a value for this href attribute, using this hash sign, and by using this id attribute. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा, हम लोगों ने इस हैश टैग की मदद से ना इस लेसन 1 को हम लोगों ने इस लेसन 1 के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया है. ये जो हैश टैग है, व्हाट इज दिस टेलिंग टू द कोड दैट वी हैव डिफाइंड इन दिस नोटपैड फाइल? दिस इज गाइडिंग दिस कोड कि ये जो लेसन 1 है, इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ आईडी, और ये जो इस आईडी के लिए जब भी मैं इस आईडी को क्लिक करूं, जब भी whenever the user is going to click here on this hyperlink that we have created, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप ना यूजर को इस आईडी पे रीडायरेक्ट कर दें. That's what this hash is telling to this code that we have defined over here. ठीक है. सिमिलरली ये जो हैश है, ये किसके लिए यूज करा है हम लोगों ने? लेसन 3 के लिए. Now where we have defined the ID, this lesson 3 ID, हम लोगों ने lesson 3 ID ना यहाँ पे define कर रखी है. So whenever the user will click on this lesson 3, what is going to happen? This code is going to redirect the user to this part of the web document. किसी को कुछ नहीं समझ में आया तो अभी पूछ लीजिए. It is somewhat a complicated concept. Yes. Yes, who's this? But I'm not able to hear you. If you can please speak loudly.
Sir, nothing now.
Now, if suppose let's create 4th part for this web document. Okay. Can anyone tell me what should I do so as to create 4th part and link this href tag with that 4th part? From where shall I start?
Sir, body
पहले
में
तो जो
पहले
From the
copy paste
body.
करेंगे.
ये तो पहले तो we have to copy it.
ठीक है. Let's copy this whole code from here and let's put it here. Fine.
Sir, then we will
Now,
change
what
it
code?
to
So then change 3 to 4.
अच्छा, अगर एक बात बताइए, if I will define this thing as lesson 3 only, if I will not make any changes to this thing, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? Let's see that.
वो भी हमें 3 में redirect
Yes,
करते
वो
हैं.
भी हमें 3 में redirect करेगा. Excellent. ये भी हमें 3 में ही redirect करेगा. ठीक है. अब let's do one thing. Let's change it to 4 and let's change this one also to 4. अच्छा, इससे कोई इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है क्या? इससे the text that I've defined over here, क्या ये भी इफेक्ट कर रहा है हमारी इंटरनल लिंकिंग?
नहीं सर, ये बस दिखाने के लिए.
It is just a text. If you want to change it to, suppose you want to change it to chapter 4, you can do the changes. Okay, you can make the things, you can make the changes like this. Now let's copy this whole part from here and let's put it just below this id, this part 3. Let's change it to lesson 4. And what else are we required to change? अभी अगर आप कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करोगे ना तब भी ठीक है. अगर आप यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज नहीं करोगे तब भी आपका कोड रन करेगा.
Yes, sir, because we
क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में लेसन 4 लिख दिया है
defined
हमने.
that.
दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट. हमारा पर्पस ये है कि हम लोग ना पार्ट्स को कनेक्ट कर पाए हाइपरलिंक से, तो वो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कर दिया. We have done it.
हमने उस हाइपरलिंक से इस वाले पार्ट को लिंक कर दिया है, तो इस वजह से
लिंक
अगर
कर,
हम
बिल्कुल सही है. Let's see what are we going to get when we'll click on that new hyperlink. So this is the new one. let's click on this and let's see where it is going to redirect us. So this is the part where that hyperlink has redirected us.
सर बस
ठीक
हमें
है, तो
उसकी
इस
आईडी
तरीके
पे
से
सही लिखना है, उसके कंटेंट में हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही. ठीक है. So this is all about internal linking. Let's talk about external linking now. Let me just remove this whole code from here. Okay. Now inside this body tag, I need to define first the anchor tag. Then we can use the href tag. Now what you guys have to do, you guys have to come on page number 150. Page number 150 pe aao. Right on the top, you will be able to see types of external links. You know, the types of external linking that you can define in your web document. सबसे पहला है absolute URL. Suppose if you want to access an external website, okay, using a hyperlink that you have defined in your web document. So how can you do that? Suppose you want to access the first page of Google, or you want to access Google's website. So for doing that,
So can you
this
please
is the
read
first thing that
page number?
this is how you can write down the whole code. I think this is the URL of Google's web page, right? Home page.
HTTPS आएगा.
Beta, it totally depends upon you. If you write HTTP, you will be able to access Google then also. If you will make it like HTTPS, if you define it like HTTPS, then also you will be able to access this link. Okay.
.com के
What is the difference
आगे
between
/ आएगा.
किसमें बेटा किसमें?
सर .com के आगे
स्लैश आएगा. com के आगे स्लैश.
अच्छा, let's see whether we'll be able to access the site with this or not. ठीक है, पहले हम ये check कर लेते हैं. After that we
applied hashtag.
We have not applied. Yeah, because we are not doing internal linking, na dear. ठीक है, right now we are trying to create a hyperlink using which we can access an external site. ठीक है, हम लोग internal linking नहीं कर रहे हैं अभी, हम लोग अभी external linking कर रहे हैं. Hashtag और ID का use आप जब भी करोगे, when you are required, when you want to link a part of a web page to another part of that web page, तभी आप hashtag और ID का use करो. ठीक है. Now let's define a tag here. Now let's define a text here. Google website. ठीक है. And I'm enclosing this Google website, this text. इसको मैंने इस container tag, इस anchor tag के अंदर I've enclosed it. Now let's see what are we going to get as output on this web page. So this is the hyperlink that we've created. Now let's click on this hyperlink and see where it is going to redirect us. So are we able to access Google site? You know, it is not necessary to put a slash sign after this. Okay, it totally is your call. If you want to put it, you can. If you do not want to put it, just eliminate it. Fine. Now let's let's see whether can we access the Google site without this HTTPS or not. Let's check that. ठीक है, अभी मैंने जो URL define करा है, I've defined it without that HTTPS keyword. Let's see whether we'll be able to access the Google site or not. So we need to click on this. So this is, the page, our web page is going to redirect us. अभी आप ऊपर सबसे ऊपर देखोगे ना, तो URL आपको क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पर? फाइल, फिर /C drive users del डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर हम लोगों ने लिंकिंग फोल्डर क्रिएट करा था. अब वो जो लिंकिंग फोल्डर है ना, वो www.google.com से कनेक्ट हो गया. So this is the URL that you will be getting on the browser's URL part when you will try to access some site like this. Okay, without HTTPS आप साइट को एक्सेस ही नहीं कर पाओगे, वापस से आप उसी फोल्डर के अंदर आ जाओ. ठीक है. So that is the reason we are required to put either HTTPS or HTTP before the site's address. ठीक है, तो ये पूरा का पूरा साइट एड्रेस है जो आपको डालना पड़ेगा. What is this known as? This is called as absolute URL. आप लोग एक एक्सटर्नल साइट को एक्सेस कर रहे हो यूजिंग दिस URL. ठीक है, तो इसको कहेंगे हम लोग एब्सोल्यूट URL. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ URL है आपका रिलेटिव URL. ठीक है, अब ये रिलेटिव URL क्या होता है? लेट्स डिफाइन अनदर वेब पेज इनसाइड दिस लिंकिंग फोल्डर. ठीक है, मैंने क्या करा है, आई हैव कॉपीड दिस वेब पेज फ्रॉम हियर दैट वाज देयर ऑन माय डेस्कटॉप एंड आई हैव पेस्टेड इट इनसाइड दिस लिंकिंग फोल्डर. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू गिव, व्हाट इज द आउटपुट दैट दिस लिंकिंग फोल्डर इज प्रोड्यूसिंग. सो वी नीड टू डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस. ठीक है, तो ये आउटपुट है लिंकिंग फोल्डर का. ठीक है, जो लिंकिंग फाइल, इंटरनल फाइल का जो मैंने लिंकिंग फोल्डर के अंदर अभी पेस्ट करी. ठीक है, ये हमारा आउटपुट है. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ कैन वी कनेक्ट दिस लिंक्स फाइल. ठीक है, इस फाइल को मैं इस फाइल से कैसे कनेक्ट कर पाता हूं. What is the full name of this file? For checking that, we need to come on the properties part first. So this the name of the file is internal, and what kind of document it is? What is the type of this file? It is .html. So how can we connect? How can we connect these two web pages? That's what we are going to learn now. So we can do it with the help of this href attribute. Now here, inside these double inverted commas, we need to write down the complete name of the web page we want to access. That is already there in the same folder in which this file is present. ठीक है, the way we used to access the image, in the same way we can access some other web page also that is present inside the same folder. जिस folder के अंदर ये वाला web document present. ठीक है, अभी let's change it to internal. ठीक है, let's save the changes and come on the output web page of this. ठीक है, तो अब ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, ये जो नोटपैड फाइल है, what is the name of this notepad file? Links. ठीक है, and what is the output it is giving us? This is the output this notepad file is giving us. Now what we have done, we have defined another file inside this notepad file, another HTML file inside this notepad file using this href attribute. ठीक है, अब अगर मैं इस internal के ऊपर क्लिक करूंगा, let's see where it is going to redirect us. कहां पर आ गए हम लोग? कहां पर आए हम लोग?
पढ़ने वाले वेब पेज पे.
पहले वाले वेब पेज पे जो हम लोगों ने, ये जो इंटरनल है ना, फर्स्ट वेब पेज, जो इंटरनल वाली फाइल है ना हमारी, हम लोग उसको एक्सेस कर पा रहे हैं. सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन इंटरलिंक 2 और मोर वेब पेजेस यूजिंग हाइपरलिंक्स. ठीक है, एक्सटर्नल लिंकिंग के थ्रू हम लोग 2 या 2 से ज्यादा वेब पेजेस को एक के साथ लिंक कर सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज नोन एज रिलेटिव यूआरएल. इट इज गिवन राइट ऑन द टॉप ऑन पेज नंबर 150 ऑफ योर बुक. ठीक है, इसके बाद आते हैं लिंक टू ईमेल एड्रेस. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सेस आउटलुक ईमेल एड्रेस of yours, how can you do that?
Sir, where is relative linking given in the book?
It is given on page number 150 right on the top. आप देखोगे ना, वहां पे आपको मिल जाएगा types of URLs, absolute URL, a relative URL, और उसके बाद है link to an email address. हम लोग ईमेल एड्रेस को कैसे लिंक कर सकते? क्या करना है आपको? इक्वल टू डाला. Fine. Now inside these double inverted commas, the keyword that you have to use for accessing your Outlook email ID is mail to. ठीक है, मैंने mail to डाल दी. आपकी बुक में ही है ये, पेज नंबर 150 में राइट ऑन द टॉप इट इज गिवन. अगर आप देखोगे तो मिल जाएगा. लेट्स पुट कोलन. अब यहां पर मैं अपनी आईडी डिफाइन कर देता हूं, gaurav.jain@parivartan school.com. Fine. This is my official email ID. Let's see what are we going to get as an output when we will try to access it. So this is the output that this file is going to produce on this web page. Now we will be seeing a hyperlink with name mail over here. अब अगर मैं इसको क्लिक करूंगा, let's see where it is going to redirect us. Now it is trying to access the Outlook software that is installed on my laptop.
जीमेल नहीं कर सकता ये?
जीमेल नहीं बेटा, आउटलुक। मेल 2 से आप लोग आउटलुक कर सकते हैं। ये आपका आउटलुक आ गया। अब आपको पूरा पता है सेटअप करना पड़ेगा। आफ्टर दैट यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस योर आउटलुक आईडी। मैंने सेटअप नहीं कर रखा बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनी सर्वर विद मी। जिसके पास सर्वर है वो आउटलुक अपना सेटअप करके उसको एक्सेस कर सकता है। सो दैट
जीमेल
इज
करने
हाउ।
के लिए क्या करेंगे?
सॉरी आई डिडंट कैच दैट हियर।
सर जीमेल, हमें अगर जीमेल में मेल करना है उसके लिए क्या करेंगे?
ये क्वेश्चन आपको देता हूं मैं सॉल्व करने के लिए। पिछली बार भी मैंने एक क्लास में आपको क्वेश्चन दिया था, हाउ